Okay, class, today we're going to be talking about direct variation. Specifically, its multiple representations. And pretty much what that means is that there are different ways that we can show what this looks like. The first way we can show it is in an equation. Now the number one thing about an equation is that there is no adding or subtracting. The equation is always in the form y equals mx. So for example, y equals 4x, that is an example of direct variation. But if I have the equation y equals 2x plus 5, that is not direct variation because of the plus 5. Okay? So now let's look at a different situation. Let's talk about graphs. With graphs, you're looking for a straight line that goes through the origin. Remember, the origin is point 0, 0. So let's say I have this graph. There are my axes, and I have, this is my line. It is a straight line. It goes through the origin. So this is an example of direct variation. Okay, so let's say I have this line. This is a straight line as well, but it does not go through the origin, so it is not direct variation. It needs to go through the middle. Okay, so now let's look at a different situation. If I'm talking about a verbal situation, okay, verbal is a situation, remember, with words. Verbal means words. And what you're going to see there is you're going to see y varies directly with x. That is an example of a verbal direct variation. That's what you'll see if you have direct variation. Okay, and last but not least is a table. A table has a constant rate of change, and it goes through zero, 0 on each column. There you go. That's our introduction to direct variation and its multiple representations. Have a good evening.